Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. And I was excited to try this thing because I have never done it, but I thought about it and I had all the ingredients, and since we are at home, so we kind of making lots of crafts and DIYs that we normally do or not usually do. But anyway, so for today's video I will be making an air freshener. So I kind of put it on a stick so you could see how you can hang them. That's what they look like. I made a bunch of different ones and they are from wax. So they are different shape and has different things inside, and they are all smell amazing. I wish I could transfer the smell and let you smell it, but we're not that advanced yet. But anyway, you can hang them anywhere around the house, in the car, or anywhere you feel like it. So if you are interested in how I made this air freshener, please continue watching. Okay, so for this project you will need some wax, and I got mine on Amazon, and it came in, I think it's it says 3 pounds. So I have never used this one, but we're gonna try it and see if it works. And then to pour it in, I have some silicone forms. I have a couple of different ones, and I have the small ones, so I'm gonna make a couple of different ones. Then, since it's an air freshener, you can use any essentials oil, but I have one that is white tea, jasmine, and cherry blossom. So I got that. Then for decoration, I cannot make up my mind how I want to decorate it, so I got a couple of things that I picked up a long time ago, so I don't know if I'm gonna do this. And then I also have a couple of dry flowers that I would like to use. So we're gonna try it, and then you will need the lace, or you can use anything you like for your air freshener. And I got some tweezers and of course some scissors just in case. So I'm gonna pour my wax in this cup. It is a glass, and I'm gonna melt it in the microwave, and I'll be right back. So I got about 1.5 cup of flakes, and now I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Okay, so this is how much we got. And I did use the stove instead of the microwave because it didn't work right. So now to our wax, I'll add some essential oil, and you need the generous amount. So I do about 50 drops because it is an air freshener supposed to be. So we want it to smell good. Okay, I added some essential oil. Now I mix it up. And it smells amazing so far, and it's gonna be ready to be poured in our forms. So I'm gonna use this one. I'll make one heart, but 75% that. Then I want to do a star. Oops, too much, but okay. And let's see if I can get this to work as well. So about that much, and okay, let's do one more circle. Unless I have more. Well, I have more, so I guess another heart. Yeah. I guess you get plenty, so just so you know. You see how many forms I already filled up, and I still have wax left. Okay, it has been about half an hour. So now I'm gonna open this thread. You can use anything, so hopefully this will work. And we're gonna make a holder for the air freshener. So let's start taking them out and see if it turned out pretty good. Ah, ain't they cute? Look. So, and when you buy the forms, make sure it has like a little hole for it, because this will help you later on, so you don't have to make a hole, or you can put a matchstick in it when you pour in. And since this is a silicone, they all coming out, looks like pretty freaking good. Oops, this one's broke. Okay, don't do that. Okay, that one didn't work out. So this one is okay. So this one, see, I pushed it too far, so that one's broken, so that one's not gonna work. Okay, so that's 3. Now let's get this one's out. So okay. And the last one from this tray. Okay. In this too. This one could be a cute little gift because it's like a flower and it has like a broken heart, but it looks like this one broke. Yeah. So that is that. Could be like that. See, look, you're putting it together. Could be a really nice little gift on the hearts. Anyway, so now we're gonna, you can make it as long as you like. I'm gonna hang them around the house. You can put it in the car if you want. And they all smell amazing. I wish I could transfer the smell so you guys can smell it, but we're not that advanced yet. Okay, so what I do, I just tie a knot to it like that, and let's chop it. And here's our air freshener, all nice and ready. So my next project would be, I'm gonna try it and see if I can make a different colors. Because this one was a plain soy wax and just white, as you saw that I did it, but we got a bunch of different ones, so I haven't bought it, but I'm gonna try order some, because I don't think dollar store has it, because this is kind of specific thing. Anyway, there you go. You do that to all. I'll do that to all of mine, and I'll give some to my daughter, and the rest I'll hang around the house. And the flowers are amazing. Look how they all turned out. So, and this one was the gems, actually not bad either. Anyway, that was all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. The first air freshener turned out to be a success. So if you're one of my new people, don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one real soon. Bye.